stop her.
Stop! Stop resisting. What the f? I'm literally reporting. What are you doing? Let go of me. Did that make you feel better? Dude, don't touch me.
Can I read your rights now?
On February 28th, 2026, officers received a call from Walmart reporting a woman who had committed theft and failed to pay. She was even believed to have engaged in similar behavior before. Even when she was stopped, she had already prepared excuses for herself.
Hey, police department, okay?
I paid for everything.
Hey, we're not being detained.
I paid for everything.
Put your phone down.
I paid for everything.
Put your phone down.
But I paid for everything.
Okay. 6-7 Is anybody available though?
I paid for everything.
Okay, well, we watched you on camera. It's not paying.
That's fine.
For light bulbs.
Yes, I did.
Yes. And then,
Yes, I did. Look again.
Yeah, I watched it.
Okay, I paid
so
for
we're past
everything.
that.
I paid for
Okay.
everything.
We'll let
I
the
paid for
department.
everything.
We'll figure that out, but right now you're being detained.
For what? I paid
For
for
that.
everything.
I told you that.
But I paid for everything.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, I watched it.
But I paid
we
for
watched it. We have on
everything.
cameras. That's fine if you feel that way.
I did.
Okay, that's fine if you feel that way. Right now you're not free to leave though.
But I paid for everything.
You can keep saying that
I
all you
paid
want.
for everything.
Okay, we'll check the receipts then.
Check that.
Yeah,
So check that.
we're doing that right now.
So do that.
Okay, right now you're free to leave.
I just showed them to you.
Just over here.
No, I paid for
Go to the
everything.
wall.
Don't touch me like that. No, I'm not.
Stop.
I'm standing right here.
Okay, no,
I'm standing,
if you
I'm not,
stop,
I didn't do
you're gonna get
anything
more
wrong.
charges for resisting.
But I have a
Let's
broken
go ahead.
wrist.
Stop.
I have a metal plate in my
Okay, turn
wrist.
around.
No, I didn't do anything.
She appeared confident as she denied all suspicions, but her tone and repeated wording revealed a more suspicious sense of anxiety and fear, even making things more difficult for the officers.
Stop.
I
Okay,
didn't do anything.
turn around.
I have a metal plate in my arm.
Stop.
I have a
I'm gonna
metal
give you more
plate in my
charges for
arm.
resisting if you don't stop
For
right
what?
now.
I didn't even steal.
Okay. Hey.
I didn't even do
Stop.
that.
Hey, put your hand behind your back.
I didn't do anything.
7-3, I'm with.
I paid for everything.
Okay, we'll figure it out, okay?
You don't have to twist my. I have a broken. I have a fucking. Stop doing that.
Stop resisting.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
What the? I'm literally reporting. What are you
resisting.
doing?
You're good, like
Let
that.
go of me, you f***ing psychopath.
Put your hand behind
Don't ever f***ing touch me like that again.
Okay, stop
No, that's
resisting.
f***ing crazy.
7.
Yes, good. 6-7 has one.
Okay, we're gonna walk out to my car.
Okay, can I get my phone?
I'll
Okay, we'll
that
get
for
your
you.
phone. It's in the car. We're gonna go over here.
What the hell? I literally paid for everything.
Like I said, I watched you on camera.
Okay, you saw me ring up multiple transactions.
Yeah.
Okay. So why would I not ring up 3 or 4? Like, what do you mean? I don't feel comfortable with you guys touching me.
Okay, that's fine. We're gonna search you. Okay.
That's fine. I don't give you consent. I want a woman.
so-
I want a
so
woman.
right now-
No, because of how you guys handled me, I want a woman, officer.
We don't have any female officers.
So
right
I don't
now.
give you consent. I do not give you consent to
Okay.
touch me. Don't touch
So
me.
you're being-
The woman did everything she could to stubbornly resist the officer's actions, even invoking her own civil rights in the process.
for theft.
I didn't steal.
Okay, yes you did. I
I
watched
don't
you.
give you consent. I want a
Okay,
woman
fuck it
officer.
up.
You're against the. It's my right.
Okay.
So don't touch me. No, I do not give you consent. I swear to God, do not touch me.
No,
I know
I'm
my
fine,
rights.
okay.
You're not allowed to touch
Let's
me.
just wait for a while.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you can have this conversation again. This is gonna happen.
I want a woman
We're
officer.
gonna
I
have
don't
a
want you to
third
touch me.
officer. We're gonna
You
have a
hurt
third
me.
officer to come.
We don't have
And
any
I didn't
female
even
officers
do
right
anything
now.
wrong. Too bad. It's my right.
So right now you're under arrest.
No, I'm not. I
Yes,
didn't
you
steal.
are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No,
You're willing
I'm
to get those
not.
receipts ringed up and make
Yes, please. Insane.
negative. What's your name?
Laura Lee.
Laura Lee what? So it's not your right to tell us we can't search you. when
No,
you're placed
it
under
is to
arrest.
have a woman
It's
officer.
not.
I am allowed to
So
legally
we're gonna wait
request
for our
one.
sergeant here.
So
and
then
we'll
wait for
go.
him.
We are waiting for him. That's what we're
Great.
doing.
Can I sit down?
You're not going to sit down in here because we can't search you and I don't know what happened. So if you allow us to search you, I will put you in the back of my car to sit
I
down.
don't want you touching me. You
Okay.
guys already hurt me.
Do you have the items?
We have everything in the car over there. There's 3 items that didn't get scanned.
That's not true.
So here's the thing. You can have those with the judge. He told you you're under arrest. He's gonna be ending up searching you.
That-
The sergeant is gonna
That's
come
fine.
here.
I want
okay?
someone else
So we're gonna
who
have a
isn't
third
a
off.
asshole who touched me like you did. So don't talk to me.
I'm explaining
Thank
to
you.
Okay?
I don't need
So
you to.
he's gonna
Thank
be
you.
here
You hurt
observing
me.
the
You hurt me
situation.
for no reason.
Okay?
Thank you.
It's
You're
not
abusing
Walmart.
your
It's
authority,
not a
and that's
customer
not
service.
right. You abuse your authority, and that's not right. To use that kind of force, was that necessary? Did that make you feel better?
She clearly knew what she was doing, as if this wasn't her first time dealing with the police. Yet moments later, she began to act as though she were the victim.
But I can't have a male search me.
Well, we search females all the time.
But I'm not, it's not
We're not doing
it's my right. I need a woman
Everything's being
to
recorded.
do that. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. You can record me. So I don't know why you kept
Well, I don't know
the
what you
need to
consider.
tell me that again.
We tell people just so they're aware.
But you've told me like 4 times now.
Because you keep saying we're not allowed to search you, and so we're saying we're recording. Nothing's happening.
So what? But yeah, except were you recording when that officer like hurt me?
Yes, both of them. My camera was on.
Okay, using excessive force when I wasn't. It wasn't
So I
necessary.
did tell you to stop resisting
I
multiple
wasn't
times.
resisting.
You kept
You
pulling
told
away,
me to go against the wall.
and then I told you to turn around and face the
And
wall,
you told
and
me
you
to go
wouldn't.
against the wall, and I did.
No, you didn't.
And then you grabbed me, and then he grabbed me 10 times harder.
So we're not going to talk
He
about that.
grabbed me harder, and he
I'm
didn't
sorry.
need to.
Well,
Okay, well, I can look into that part of it.
No, you
Yeah.
won't. It hurt.
that wasn't me. You can talk to my sergeant about
But it
that.
hurt, and it was
I don't-
unnecessary.
So talk to my sergeant about it if you have concerns. That I can't do anything about that. I'm not.
He twisted my arm back further than he needed to, and he hurt me really bad. Even after I said to stop.
What was your reaction?
I have metal plates in my wrists, and then it just hurts.
Okay, I can review the body cameras and all that stuff, and I'll look into that. Okay. All right. As far as what is she's under arrest for?
She's under arrest for theft and obstruction.
I didn't
at this
steal
point.
anything. I paid for everything. I have receipts.
Have you recovered the property or?
Yeah, we have it.
I paid for all
watched.
of that.
I watched on
What
camera
about
as
the
well.
things that I paid for?
You can have those back, or they'll reimburse
I-
you. It's
How?
up to
It
them.
was cash.
It could be seen from her statement that she had indirectly admitted to only paying for part of the items. At that point, the officers did not let things drag on any longer and continued their duties despite the rising tension.
I'm not searching. I'm trying to pull up my pants. Don't touch me. No, don't touch me.
You're under arrest,
Don't
okay?
touch me.
You're not the one
No,
making the decision.
you don't get to touch me.
Okay, you're not the one.
No,
making
get the away from me. Don't touch me.
Relax a second.
No,
So, okay, lift that up in a second. You got so nothing through here.
no. I was
There?
pulling up my
Okay.
pants.
All right.
So we saw something in your front left pocket
Nothing
that.
there.
I have money. That's it. Dollars. That's it. Dollars.
Turn this way, face me for a second.
I have dollars.
There's dollars right in there.
Yes.
Okay.
Literally. Dollars.
All right. Okay. We're gonna book her. I'll
Okay.
call the jail real quick.
We're gonna walk to the side of the car.
Matt, can you like not walk me around here?
This are. Well, it's not. So
Because I didn't do anything.
like I told you, you're not being compliant with us. So that's why this is our
How
decision at
am
this
I
point.
not? Because I don't want you to touch me? I have a metal plate.
I get that. I can loosen this one a little bit. Let me. I'm gonna need to see your hand over here. Can you push your legs that way a little bit? Thank you. I'll loosen this one, okay? Can you let go of your fingers while I loosen it? I don't want to hurt your hand more.
I feel like you tightened it.
I didn't. I loosened it and then clicked it a couple more. It's,
But it hurts.
so, okay, well, they're loose. I can get 2 fingers in there. Look at. Face forward. You have to turn around now.
She believed she had more right to be angry at the officers than to feel remorse for her actions, and only after arriving at the police station did she begin to accept reality.
Talk now. If I read your rights again, do you want to talk about what we found in your pants and in your pocket?
Okay.
If I read your rights, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand each of these rights as I have right to you? Having these rights in mind, you wish to talk to me now. Okay. The meth we found in your pants. Remember what I told you about that? If you don't tell us about it, it's a felony charge. Did you get the meth in Mount Vernon or did you get it somewhere else? Burlington? Okay. Do you willing to talk about it if I move a body camera so no one can ever hear about it? Yes? Okay, it's for your safety and mine.
She was charged with third-degree theft, obstructing a law enforcement officer, and possession of a controlled substance. Actions driven by denial and defiance only make consequences worse. Taking responsibility early can prevent a situation from escalating beyond control.